In this video, we're going to look at setting a network adapter to receive a DHCP IP address on Windows. DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, and it's responsible for automatically assigning IP addresses and other communication parameters to devices connected on a network, using a client-server architecture. Your home Wi-Fi router often contains a DHCP server responsible for setting IP addresses of each device connected to your home network. This technology eliminates the need to individually configure network devices manually, stopping IP address clashes, and speeds up connecting devices. Imagine connecting to a public Wi-Fi network and having to manually configure your phone's IP address so it didn't clash with anyone else's on the network, and be in the correct range to receive data. Thanks to DHCP, we don't have to do this. There are two methods to set a static IP address in Windows. We'll show you both. Firstly, the newer method introduced in Windows 8 and above. Navigate to the system tray and select your network interface. Here I'm using a wired USB 3 to Gigabit Ethernet adapter. Select the adapter, then scroll down to IP settings and press edit. You can choose between manual and DHCP. We'll select DHCP and then wait for the network settings to populate. The second method's older and can be found in Windows XP and above. Navigate to Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, select the adapter you're using, navigate to Properties, then double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. This gives the option to define an IP address manually, what's known as a static IP, or automatically, which is DHCP. Now the IP address is set, we can press OK on all of these boxes and they'll close. We hope you found this useful. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments or message our team at enttec.com. Thanks for watching.